歡迎大家翻嚟 Red 少齊齊估，我就係 Red 少。So 今日啊 Cam Crew 啊係 arrange 咗啲 kitchen 啲工具俾我哋試，咁我覺得係有少少伏嘅，所以我就叫咗 Mr. Circle 嚟幫我手。
我就睇下究竟啲嘢係咪真係咁鬼伏。
咁 here we go。咁 let's start with this first。It just looks like a steel. It's definitely steel。呢係工具嚟㗎，係咪用嚟壓嘢啊？
啊，加個夾煎輕。
有可能。What is it？係咪幫佢解凍快啲 ？If this is what Cam Crew says， 但係你擺塊牌喺度，佢會自動解凍。We'll see how long it takes for it to defrost. What's our next one? It looks like 咩wine 嗰啲汁。
哦，係喎。
但係又唔係喎。
但係佢呢度有漏窿喎，唔通漏咗啲渣
？Any ideas？
我覺得咧，你哋有冇試過煎嘢嘅時候，咪落啲黑椒啊、白胡椒淋落去嘅時候，點知唔小心成罐倒咗落去嘅？我懷疑呢個嘢可能係設計嚟係防止呢個情況出生。
呢樣嘢都好易甩㗎喎，所以應該唔係喎。嚇 ？So what do I do? Cut like the top of the 檸檬and just
塞落去
I don't think so. So what? Like this?
係。咦？又幾 work 喎？
嚇 ？No way. Yeah. Okay. This is actually innovative. Mr. Circle， 你覺得呢個咩嚟㗎？
密實盒咯，擠曲奇餅啊嘛。
No， 一有呢樣嘢即刻知係關雞蛋啦。試俾我哋睇，
都幾 work 喎。
I think it's actually quite useful. This is what is next. 佢好似又似會有嗰個 size 喎，但係成個廁所板This is the hardest one so far. 又係雞蛋啊！
又係雞蛋，唔通係烚蛋用？
嚇！
佢呢個係用嚟煮溫泉蛋嘅，打咗隻蛋落去先，跟住咧就撩4-5下，然後倒30ml水，再擺落微波爐叮50秒，就應該係溫泉蛋。
So this is the egg.
真係 work 喎
Here's your water, and here's your 溫泉蛋。
，work 喎。
咁你知呢個咩嚟㗎？
生果刀，
我知
中間係
咩嚟
咪切
㗎？
奇異果啊？
我知咩嚟㗎呢個
你知？
？Yeah,
你講嚟聽下
avocado. How? Use this
哇！
right here.
喂，我反對估啊，太簡單啦。
Like this, right?
我一估就
Then
估到嘅
here， 我係齋估嘅。
喂，呢個我係覺得唔 pass 嘅，因為我覺得佢係偷偷知道咗答案。哇！咩料啊？廁紙筒啊？
Looks like 擺眼鏡落去。
係剝皮用嘅。
剝皮用？哦，會唔會係同紅蘿蔔有關？
唔係
一條紅蘿蔔。
唔係香蕉。
蒜頭。
Yo, try. What do you do?
哦，
阿 Red 少啱嘅，就係咧你擺喺台面用手咁樣捽，但係你哋要大力啲捽。
喂，我覺得呢個嘢抌咗佢啦。
係你成功嘅喎。
係成功。
成功 but no, it's really stupid. Trust me, it's really stupid.
呢個好易啦，擠塊餃子皮，擠嚿餃子肉，一吸埋，咁咪就係餃子咯，係咪咁啊？唔可以落咁多餡喎，睇嚟。我哋試一試先。有幾靚仔喎！
Let me try. I don't know about this one, man. 你頭先都冇乜擺嘢喎
係咯。好似食意大利嗰啲咁，但係又唔係意大利嗰種。 啲餡咁少，點食啊隻餃子 ？Fail。
Yeah, fail. No.
係咪粉底盒嚟啊？
Dragon Ball Reader.
Look, check it out.
喂，開得到喎。有個，咁呢個檸檬啊，呢個 tomato 啊。哦，我知味啊，係啊，唔係啊 ，keeping it fresh。
你啱咗一半，因為其實係將佢切一半。
真係
哇，標本咁喎，
Actually, I want to see you do with this.
咁樣。
I honestly don't know if this is genius or 簡單複雜化。
但係你其實攞個透明嘅吸索嗰啲保鮮盒都得啦。
I don't know, man. 呢個真係好夾硬
有啲惡
啊！
教啊呢句嘢。
Are you sure this is not something for farming?
Maybe pizza。
哦、No way！
哇我會唔會係界開一行行，跟住夾出嚟？
你方向正確，你試下點樣做？
唔啱。
真實嘅用法咧，就係將你張刀調轉，然之後同你頭先嘅切法係一樣。你試多次。
哦，跑出嚟。
哦、OK。Like that？
我覺得用匙羹畫一根根爽啲咯。
係會好爽好多嘅。
哇！呢個嘢
It says butter。
係咪啊？似拍子機喎。
It's a butter cutter, dude.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Let's see. And back goes here. 好似 what Mr. Circle says，你不如切咗佢好過。
快啲啊喂！
咁我哋去到啊，我哋最後一個工具，呢個係刀片。Oh, I think I know what it is. I don't know what this is called, but you put an orange and it'll cut into slices. Oh no!
切收咗，真係 work 喎！睇下你嘅靚唔靚仔，佢真係一片片到喎，都幾薄喎，喂少。
Actually 唔錯喎，actually。
係咯，
如果你嫌佢太薄咧，佢仲可以變做煎厚身少少嘅。
哇
午餐肉好快搞掂喎，一切就係喎。
So this is actually not bad.
係咯，
And before we leave, we have to tell you 係真係 work 嘅。
真係 work 喎。
真心係真係 work 嘅。I don't know how. It's magic. So anyways, right? All these 工具咧係全部喺個 description 下邊嘅。So if you're interested in buying any of them, go check it out down there. Come see you next time. If you guys learn anything from me, 記得 CSL 我啊。